Hi, I'm Traci de Jardins. I run an eclectic group of restaurants, and I'm a restaurateur and chef from San Francisco. Pickles, they can be anything really. I started up doing a lot of like jalapeno escabeche with cauliflower and that kind of stuff, and mushrooms are one of the things I really like to pickle. I really love the wild mushrooms, the morels and the chanterelles. Technically it's like an escabeche because I sear the mushrooms. Wild mushrooms you do need to wash. Sometimes people say that you should only brush them. I tend to wash them. Just give them a quick rinse. You don't want to put them in water and soak them. Wash them as quickly as you can. Get them out of the water and drying a bit. Cut the little butt off of the mushroom. Depending on the size here, I will quarter or halve them. You can also use domestic mushrooms, brown or cremini. So these mushrooms can last in the fridge for quite some time. Definitely 2-3 weeks. They never last that long in my fridge because we tend to eat them. I'm gonna let my pan get nice and hot. While that pan's heating up, I'm gonna cut my other vegetables. So this is a fennel. It's got this big core in the middle, which I'm gonna just cut out before I slice it. This is a really pretty dish, so you wanna kind of be careful when you're cutting everything. Kind of a little bit larger pieces, not super, super fine. There's the fennel. My pan is nice and hot, and I'm gonna add some oil and stick my mushrooms in there and give them a nice sear. While those are sizzling away, I am going to cut my onion. Again, I want to cut off the root end of it. So you can see the mushrooms are releasing their water and the pan completely cooled down. You want to let that liquid absorb back into the mushrooms rather than draining it. They'll reabsorb that liquid as it goes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt at this point. Had I added the salt earlier, they would have just flooded with water. And I'm going to add a little bit more oil to the pan so that I can get a little color on these. I have some nice, pretty little carrots, slicing them into kind of oblong, bias cut, pretty pieces. These lovely little red carrots. Okay, I'm going to prepare my pickling brine while my mushrooms are continuing to sear here. So this is half water, 1 part vinegar, and some red verjus. So this is the unfermented grape juice, high acid, got a little bit of sweetness. It would turn into wine eventually. Some champagne vinegar, water. Okay, nice little brown caramelization on the mushrooms. Put them into a bowl. I'm going to bring my brine to a boil now. I'm going to add these peppercorns and salt, a bay leaf to my brine. Okay, now I've got my brine solution boiling, and I'm going to add my beautiful colored carrots to it, along with my onions and fennel. I'm just going to let it kind of come back up to a boil so that it has like a little bit of a, shocked a little bit, and then I'm going to add it all into with my mushrooms. Vegetables have soaked in there for about a minute, and I'm going to take the whole solution and pour that in with my mushrooms. I'm going to add my picked Italian parsley and my tarragon. Give it a good stir, mix everything in, distribute the herbs around. I'm going to give it a little taste just to check for the amount of salt, and it's totally delicious. I love to serve these as a little snack before dinner, or they can go on the dinner table. They're wonderful as just a sort of side condiment for dinner. But I really like them as an hors d'oeuvre. You can serve them with maybe a nice cheese. And here we have our beautiful pickled chanterelles and vegetables.